Welcome to Zoom Kids Stories. Are you ready for a magical adventure? Let's use our imagination. Here we go!
1, 2, 3.
Ready for the biggest monster truck adventure ever? Let's go!
Red truck Blaze says, come with me. Blue truck Bolt shouts, 1, 2, 3. Sunny smiles, let's race today. Rocky laughs, hip hip hooray. Rolling fast across the land. Big adventures, super grand. Ready, set, go, here we come. Watch us fly. Vroom, vroom, monster trucks. Jumping high with lots of luck.
I'm the fastest! Watch out! Watch out! This is amazing! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Monster trucks fill the room. Vroom, vroom, race away. Let's have fun every day. Rainbow ramp up so high.
Let's kick it into high gear! Yeah, let's go! This is amazing! Woohoo!
Happy breeze. Vroom, vroom, monster trucks jumping high with lots of luck. Big wheels rolling round and round. Happy engines, funny sound. Go, go, go! Let's all cheer. Monster trucks are fun.
Welcome to the massive soccer chaos! Watch drift around the giant ball by the red and blue team, and they score a massive goal to win the championship. Let's play!
Funny squeaky happy sound. Candy bridges.
I'm gonna make it!
Feels just right. Higher, higher. Don't look down. Monster trucks rule the town. Flying over waterfalls. Never scared. We'll stand tall. Climb the mountain, cross the stream. Every race feels like a dream. Vroom, vroom, let's all sing. Monster trucks can do anything. Jump the rocks, climb the hills. Race with courage, race with thrills. Big adventure, big surprise. Sparkling stars across the sky. Vroom, vroom, in parade. We'll come back another day. Bye bye, friends. See you soon. Morning sun or glowing moon. Wave goodbye. Count to 3. Monster trucks forever. The end.
Wow! Look at all these gems! This is the best treasure ever! Congratulations to our grand champions!
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more fun stories. There are new fun stories every week.